How many times have you heard that alcoholism runs in the family? While that phrase may often be true, it's not as simple as most people think. I'm Matt from the Center for Addiction Prevention and Support. Let's talk about it. For a long time, a prevailing view in the scientific community theorized that alcoholism could be explained by genetics. They had plenty of research to suggest that if someone had a close family member that struggled with alcohol misuse, then they would experience the same struggles. In fact, in 1990, newspapers across the United States declared that researchers at the University of Texas had found the alcoholism gene. It's not exactly what they claimed, but that's what the news said, and it took hold. Anyway, in order to stay out of the weeds here, let's fast forward. After years of research, including mapping the human genome, it seems that scientists have reached a general consensus. Genes are very important when it comes to understanding addictions, but there is no alcoholism gene or marijuana gene or any other gene that directly causes addiction. What you can inherit is a predisposition, a vulnerability to certain conditions and behaviors. It turns out that whether or not these conditions occur is heavily influenced by environmental factors, the social environment. In fact, the study of how life experiences influence how your genes function is called epigenetics. So, can addiction run in the family? Sure. But people aren't born to struggle with substance misuse and addictions. A purely genetic explanation for addiction is simple and it's easy to understand. But, as author and physician Gabor Mate wrote, life in its wonderful complexity does not conform to such easy reductions. Focusing on simple explanations is a convenient way to say, well, I guess there's nothing we can do about that. But the truth is that we can work together to influence nature and nurture by combating stigma, building community, and building a recovery-friendly environment for everyone. See you next time.